a craft nori blossom, a refined roll of asparagus and scallop, wrapped in a nori with prawn and stuffed scallop, herb oil and luxurious touch of caviar. So first thing first, we'll start with the asparagus first. We'll marinate the asparagus with olive oil. Now, olive oil, salt, and black pepper, and lime zest to give the citrus flavor. Now mix all nicely. Now we'll measure the size of the asparagus and the nori. So pretty much from here. Now we'll brush the nori paper just slightly with water so it will be stick on the asparagus. And now for the scallops, we're gonna turn the scallops into scallop mousse. I will leave the recipe above. So now after we make the scallop mousse, we turn the scallop into this shape and then we roll it on a plastic wrap, put on a steamer for 10 minutes. Then we'll roll the scallop again in a nori paper. So now we have the asparagus ready in the nori and also we have the scallop ready in the nori. We're gonna combine both of them in a one sheet of the nori paper. Just put the water around the nori sheet. I will put one scallop here. Then we gently gonna roll all this one together. So roll all in a plastic very tight. And then tied from here. Now we slice. Let's see, it's having inside. Here we go. And now the prawn time now. So we're gonna stuff the prawn with the scallops. We need to open the prawn like a butterfly. Extend a little bit from here. And then we put the scallop mousse on it. Salt, pepper, the lime. Then this one will roll it gently here, like that. And then now after this step, you just gently roll it in a plastic wrap and then steam for 100 degrees for 10 minutes. Then the prawn, citrus oil, black pepper, salt, and the lime zest. Then we transfer them together here on a plate. We cut the prawn to see the scallops mousse inside. So here the prawn will open a butterfly and we stuffed inside with the scallops. Then prawn just gently here. Herb oil. A bit of the salmon caviar on top of prawn. So now we explain the dish is we have the scallop mousse here and then we have the asparagus. First roll it on the nori paper and then we have the prawn, tiger prawn. It's stuffed inside with scallop mousse, finished with salmon caviar, lemon zest, and then herb green oil. And that's the nori blossom, elegant, vibrant, and packed with flavor. I want to from you what ingredient you can add to make it your own roll. Drop your idea in a comment below. This is Chef Mohamed Culinary Museum. Don't forget subscribe my channel.